If you want to use the pop-up view gesture or floating windows mode gesture on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we need to open any app that we want to open in that pop-up view. In my case, I'm going to use the Chrome browser. And then by using gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom towards the middle of the phone, and then we will see this little transparent field where it says drag and release here for pop-up view. So we're going to drop it over here, and then the app is going to be open in the pop-up view. As you can see here, there's also like information that we can resize with bottom corners, and then we can swipe up in order to minimize. And there is also the dual pop-up view, so you can use two floating icons. Over here we should be able to grab by the corner, as you can see, to adjust its size. We can drag it around over here by using this line at the top. We can minimize it and just completely close it as well. And if you tap on the line, can we actually tap on this line? No, we cannot. But we should be able to, of course, extend it all the way to the full screen view if you want it. Leave a like and subscribe.